I never really know how to start videos just because, you know, you want something catchy, but I'm not very good at those catchy intros. Anyways, hey, what's up? It's me, Patricia. I'm back with another Get Ready With Me video. I'm just gonna kind of catch up. Not much has been really going on because of COVID, but I've still been messing around with makeup and whatnot. So today I'm going to do a look that I've been experimenting with. I hope I can get it down. Sometimes it turns out really well, and sometimes it's just like, I want to go wash my face, but let's just catch up. So as you can see, I look like a potato right now, but this is essentially what I normally look like whenever I'm just at home, not really doing anything. I've picked up a few hobbies since quarantining. I can never say that. I've been making a lot of tea at home. Like I have my homemade Thai tea right here. And I've been getting more into keyboards. But let's see. We'll start with eyebrows. I've been using this product that I got in my Ipsy box. It's called Brow Chow. Right here. Brow Chow. Oh, before I forget, I wanted to show you guys one of the new hobbies I've picked up in quarantine. Keyboards, basically. Look at my keyboard. Isn't it so cute? My cat actually just threw up on it and I just cleaned it. But when I came in here earlier and saw the throw up on it, I definitely cried for a good 30 minutes. But I cleaned it, it's clean, and it's working. But yeah, this is one of my new hobbies that I've gotten really into. Anyways, pretty much during quarantine, I've just been reading a lot of stuff. Trying to learn new things, you know, be productive. I haven't really gone out that much just because I guess getting COVID. My dad and my sister, they're both nurses, so they are dealing with it or fighting it, the front lines of COVID. And my father is actually considered high risk, and so I'm just afraid of bringing it back home and giving it to him. So I pretty much, when I do go out, always wear a face mask. I always have hand sanitizer, and I haven't dined in anywhere, and I don't think I'm going to anytime soon. But I've been trying to be really careful. However, I've also been trying to support, I guess, local restaurants by ordering takeout. A lot of restaurants by us have closed down. I've been trying to support local businesses as much as I can, but definitely still don't feel comfortable enough dining in. So I top off my eyebrows with Glossier's Boy Brow. Glossier? However you say it, but yeah. You just make my eyebrows look a lot fuller. I've been gaming a lot. I've been playing a lot of Hades. It's pretty high paced, but I like it a lot. And so I've been playing that, and I've been playing a lot of Baldur's Gate, which is Divinity, but D&D style. And so that's what I've been doing with my time. Pretty much waiting for WoW Shadowlands to come out. The expansion was delayed, or whoever knows how long, and I feel really bad for the people who took time off to play the new expansion, but they pushed it back, which is a good thing in my opinion. I thought that the initial, I guess, release date was really early, so just waiting for that pretty much. So this palette I got in my Ipsy box as well, right here. I like this palette a lot. A lot of warm colors. I'll be using Finish Sensual to act as a base on my eyes. And so I've just been playing different games. And then I'm going to use Tina Young's Run Wild. I don't think they make this palette anymore, but there are some really good colors in here that I like. I'm going to be using Cactus. It's this like dark shade of green. I'm going to be using to line my eyes for like an eyeliner effect. I guess you'll see it whenever I do it, but So I just take this like flat brush right here, and I'm just gonna put a tail, stamp a tail. Like so. And then I'm going to connect it. So like that. And then I'll just fill it out. Okay, that looks alright. So now I'm gonna try to do the other side without messing up. Wow, it's a miracle. What a miracle. You can do this with any colored eyeshadow, but I've just been really in love with just like green in general, so this is a really pretty green in the palette. That's what I've been using, but I have done it with like an orange and a blue, and it's just a great like alternative to just like a regular plain black. Blech. It's a great alternative to just like plain black eyeliner. I'm not getting my waterline. I'm actually gonna line that with eyeliner. Ow! Ow! So another new update is I did get ear piercings. I got my tragus and a new lobe. I've always just had my single lobe and my cartilage, but I got the double in my tragus. And on this side, I got a double and then a conch. But I just hit it and it hurts so much. Ow. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so a little extra stuff I like to do is I like to go in with Sky High. It's this nice shimmery gold, and I'll use the same brush, but I'll line the inner corners of my eyes with it. I'm gonna give it a pop. And then I'll also take the same color, Sky High, and put it just like underneath a little bit. Make sure my brush is clean. Maybe I should use another brush. Yeah, I like that. And then I've been using this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil Strawberry Milk. I've been putting this underneath my eye to kind of make it more bright, or brighten it. I'm just gonna finish out like that. And then I'm gonna take black liner. So I'm gonna be using Cosmetics. I'm just gonna line my waterline. Like so. Ooh, for all my lashes. I normally don't wear mascara, but I've been wearing mascara more lately because when you go out and you have a face mask, you don't really need to do like your lower face. So I know I'm going out, I will actually skip out on like blush or like lipstick and just do like a plain chapstick. And so I've been putting more focus on my eyes because that's what you see. So I started curling my lashes. This has been my holy grail product of, I guess, the last 2 months. And it's Cosmetics' new mascara. It's so interesting how it works because it uses this thing called tubing technology. I didn't really understand what that meant, but essentially, you know, like mascara coats your eyebrows. It coats your eyelashes, right? This is a similar concept, but it like tubes your eyelashes. And it's really easy to remove. You just use hot water and it comes off looking like an eyelash. Like I was washing my face, I legitimately thought I was losing eyelashes from using this product, right? And then I actually went in to see like if it was actually an eyelash, but it was actually the mascara. Like it was just an eyelash tube that came off. It was really crazy. I love this mascara. It's not really that heavy, but you still get that like full volume, and it's really easy to remove. They've been releasing a lot of new products, and this is one of my favorite by far. But that's how I've been doing my eyes. I'm not gonna put on foundation since it's actually almost 11 p.m. at night, but normally I would put on concealer for my under eye bags or whatever. This is what I use for blush. I like it because they have like a light pink, an orange, and then like a darker pink. I'm gonna use like the pink, the lighter pink out here, and then I'm gonna use the darker pink on my apples. Is that what you call it? And then one thing that I like doing that's like a little cute is I'll use the orange color and I'll actually put it on my nose. It's like very subtle, but I guess you can't really tell because I didn't put on foundation and my skin tone is like all uneven, but I'm lazy. And then the last product I'm gonna be using is called, it's this lip butter. The color is Keep It Rio. I'll put the actual name. Can't read it. It's too fancy looking. I use this first to kind of moisturize my lips, but if I'm looking for some color, I will use Cosmetics. It's this nice like reddish color. It's like, I'll just put a little bit on. Oh my god, you see that? Just to give it like a little bit more color, but yeah, this has been my go-to look. Let me just like magically do my hair and show you what I look like with my hair done. Hey, I'm back. But yeah, so this is the look that I've been doing pretty often. It's really easy. You can use any eyeshadow that you want. Other than my new piercings, keyboarding hobby, waiting for Shadowlands, nothing much has really changed. I just wanted to give you guys a little update for those who were wondering what I've been up to. I haven't really been doing anything because I've just been trying to stay in, but oh, I guess I did color my hair. It's 3 colors. I guess it's kind of hard to tell, but the top and the bottom color are different. So it's a purple in the middle, and it's like this, I guess, pinkish reddish, and it's like a darker red up here. It was blue and purple. My hairstylist did a really good job. I feel bad for her since I do have like a lot of hair, but she did a really good job. But yeah, I thought I would make a video since I haven't made one in a while. I think my last video was my Twitch highlight video, so if you guys haven't checked that out, I'll put the link somewhere. I don't know how they do it, but I'll put the link somewhere. Until then, I hope everyone is staying safe. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you want to see more of my content, please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. As always, stay safe out there. It's pretty crazy, and I will see you guys next time.